Hi guys, how are you doing? And I hope you are doing well. According to the COVID-19 virus, nobody is allowed to eat out. That's why I decided to cook at home. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook fried rice, prawns, and egg, broccoli, carrot, tomatoes, onion, garlic, oil, seasoning powder. Okay, let's get started. Okay, just finished, and this is how it looks. It looks yummy, doesn't it? Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!